Lots of people in Nebraska expected to be voting on medical marijuana in November, but that ended up being rejected by the state Supreme Court. Now supporters say that decision is causing more harm than good. 3 News Now reporter Jessica Edson spoke with one family who says their son is suffering as a result.
We have literally cried, begged, pleaded with lawmakers about the right to treat our child with this medical option, and no parent should have to beg a lawmaker to do that. That should be a discussion between us and his physician.
After a 7-year battle to see medical marijuana legalized in Nebraska, the Supreme Court's decision to keep the issue off ballots this November is the latest heartbreak for the Gillen family. They say this measure could have been the path to provide relief for their son Will, who suffers from hundreds of seizures daily. Now advocates like Nebraska Senator Anna Weishart say they're back at square one.
I'll be introducing legislation in 2021 in the January session with the hope of passing a medical cannabis system legislatively.
Supporters of the measure say medical marijuana could not only provide care for patients, but would also bring hundreds of jobs to Nebraskans and regulate what is already being used.
And that's the main issue when it comes to medical marijuana is people are using it anyways, so the black market is still thriving.
CBD store owner Mike Martinez, who hopes to open a dispensary in the future, says Governor Pete Ricketts is wrong when it comes to his stance that medical marijuana doesn't exist. Ricketts also thinks legalization could lead to more problems in the state.
This is not something that is going to be prescribed by a doctor. It's not going to be distributed through a pharmacy, right? These are dispensaries that will be in your communities.
But those like the Gillens remain desperate to help their son and say the court's decision will only lead to more suffering.
People that want to use marijuana recreationally are already doing it. This law would not have made that any easier for anybody else. And the only people that have been harmed are the people like Will.
In Omaha, Jessica Edson, 3 News Now.
And Senator Weishart says she and other advocates plan to start working Monday to get another measure on the ballots in 2022 while also proposing a bill in 2021.